Hey, it's Josh, physical therapist, certified strength and conditioning coach as well. Just gonna go through a HIIT today to work on areas that help with posture, spinal alignment. Really good for the shoulders, anyone with shoulder pain, neck pain, back pain. We're gonna go through 6 moves, 4 rounds of 6 moves. The only things that you really need don't really need them, but would help would be a Swiss ball and some weights. If you don't have any dumbbells, you can just grab any household items, a gallon of milk or anything that you have 2 of so that you could lift evenly. Just a disclaimer, this is not physical therapy. This is meant to just help with certain muscles that help with posture, spinal alignment. So this was actually developed for patients of mine who have gone through my program, so they know how to activate certain muscles. They kind of know their dysfunctions. So just check with your physical therapist and or your doctor and just kind of see if this is something that you should be doing. All right, so we will be going 40 seconds on, 20 seconds break. Got some tunes, so if you have any requests in the future, just let me know. So without further ado, we're gonna start with our first one. All right, so we're gonna start off with 20 seconds of side planks on your right side. So you're gonna tighten up and you're gonna lift up. Make sure those side muscles are on. All right, switch to the left. 5 seconds. All right, break. So we're gonna be interspersing some stretching as well. Got some calm vibes for you. So we're just going to get it out of the doorway. Just get your arm kind of in there. Just stretch your pec out before this next one. We've got a few seconds left, so just gonna be a 2-3 second stretch. All right. Gonna get your hands behind your head, and you're just gonna extend your mid back, okay? I don't want you going up so high, moving from your low back, okay? So if you don't have a Swiss ball at home, probably should have started with this one, but easy enough to do it on the floor. All right, let's get another stretch in. Gonna get into my doorway over here, just stretch those pecs. So we're just doing 2-3 second pec stretches. We're not going for long stretches. We're not trying to lengthen the muscle. We're just trying to shut it off so we can do other things. All right, next exercise. We're gonna get those dumbbells and we are going to lift up. Just make sure you're activating the muscles in your mid back and not necessarily in your shoulders. It's hard because you can get a little slippery on this. So I gotta get on my yoga mat. There we go. This is a tough one. Trying to get some lower traps in. Most importantly, forgot to include water. Gotta stay hydrated. All right, next one we're going right into some hamstring workout. So we're gonna do 20 seconds. You're gonna push down like a bridge and pull in. 20 seconds on the right, 20 seconds on the left. You should be feeling your hamstring muscles right in the belly of the muscle, right in the middle. All right, switch. Next one, we're gonna go right back into shoulders. I'm just gonna throw in a quick stretch. 3 seconds. So for those who can't see, well, I'll show you after this one. Just gonna lift up, feel the muscles between the shoulder blades work. Be very careful about straining your neck with this one. It should all only be between the shoulder blades. Five more seconds. All right, so for those who can't see me doing it in the doorway, you can even do this on a wall. Just get your hand in there and turn your body away from your arm like that. Should feel a nice stretch in the pecs. All right, so this is our finisher move. So we're gonna stay from here to here. And you're gonna use those muscles in the back that you were using when you were doing the weights on the ball to activate. So your trapezius muscles, really in this one it's more the lower trapezius. So it's not so much of the shoulders, you're gonna get a little bit of the shoulders, but whew, getting a nice burn in the back. So you can see from this side. I'm not arching my back. Whew. All right. That is round 1. Let's take a nice break in here. We're gonna go right back into our side planks in 5 seconds. So on the right, we'll do that for 20 seconds, go to the left. Get those muscles on. Nothing else. You shouldn't be driving with your hip. All should be here. Maybe some muscles a little bit higher in your ribs. Exercise. Get a nice pec stretch in there before we do the next one. You can do the pec stretch at different angles. You can kind of go into it like that. So you're getting different parts of the pec. All right, I'm gonna start with on the floor this time. Finish off on the ball. Gives me a little bit better range of motion to work through. Make sure you're getting the right and left side equally. You're not just feeling the right side of your back work or the left. They're both working. Most people are a little tighter on one side. Might not get as much activation through that side. You gotta force it. Or just gotta find those muscles. All right, gonna throw in another pec stretch. So I had it up here before, now I'm gonna get it a little bit lower. Got a few seconds on that. A few seconds on that. Back to work. And get those. Remember, shouldn't be so much of the shoulders, should be a lot in the mid-back. You can get it on your knees as well, that helps you, but if you're on the front surface, just dig your toes in. Should not be feeling a lot of lower back on that one. Most of these, all of these, shouldn't be feeling the lower back. All right, hamstrings next. Gonna keep going with my pec stretches. Just gonna shut them off. All right, hamstring. You know, these songs are great. The first round, kind of get sick of it. Although I love this song. Alright, switch sides. Left. So I'm driving down, feeling the back of my hamstrings. Okay. Just gotta grab a quick sip. Just gotta keep our heart rates up. 20 seconds feels like a lot, but really don't got too much time. We can get our T's in there. Again, keep it out of the neck. Don't like be lifting your head up or anything like that. If anything, chest can come up a little bit. That will help get some of the upper back activation. Whew. Definitely got a burn on this one. Okay. I'm gonna throw in a little quick pec stretch in there. I have the time. All right, I'm gonna go with my finisher. Just to 90 degrees and back. You activate those back muscles right over here and down. You're gonna feel one side's a little weaker. Focus on that one. The left side's not working. I can feel my shoulder kicking in. So reset. Man. Nothing should be painful, just a muscle burn. That's it. Another pec stretch. All right, so round 2 done. Starting to sweat a little bit. Gonna go into our side planks right now. Right side first for 20 seconds. These muscles should have been worked many weeks before. You shouldn't have to try to activate them, they should just be on. So if you're not at that level, you need to work on activation. All right, switch sides. Just gonna roll over here. I like to always get my fingers on the muscles I want to work. All right, we're gonna do our thoracic extensions on the ball. You get a quick sip, a few seconds left. I'll go back to it. You can make this a little bit harder by just going forward on the ball. So you have to start from a lower range of motion. You have to work through a much longer range. Make sure that left and right back muscles are firing. Remember, it's upper back, not lower back. If you feel your lower back kicking in, You will have a flare up tomorrow. Whew. All right, we got our Ys coming up right now. I'm just gonna wait this one out. On the third set, let's get through this. Let's get to our last set. Okay, digging to the ground and go. So these muscles that you feel when they get tired, same muscles you should feel in that last finisher exercise. If you get too tired, not to say that I am, although I am, you can always ditch the weights. I'm gonna ditch the weights. As long as you feel the right muscles on, keep going. Whew. All right, we got some hamstring coming up. 20 seconds on the right, 20 seconds on the left. Really pull hard with that foot. So you're pressing down, lifting the butt up, and then you are pulling really hard with that hamstring. Whew. I'm gonna try to get that ball all the way to the butt as much as I can. A few more seconds, switch sides. Okay, switch. Really push down, get those hamstrings activated, and pull. A few more seconds. Okay, so as you can see, we're really hitting the posterior chain. We're getting our scapular muscles, our thoracic paraspinal muscles. What's next? Okay, we got our middle traps right now. Got our hamstrings. We're getting everything in our backside. That finisher kind of hits a little bit of everything. If you're not sweating right now, not to say I'm in the best shape of my life, but it can get pretty hard. If it's easy for you, put on some more weight. Not literally. Heavier dumbbells. Hard to speak and instruct at the same time, I didn't realize. Okay, we got those down. We are going to finish it. We're done with this round. My pelvis should go forward. None of this. Okay. No leaning back in any way. Pelvis doesn't go forward. You don't lean back. Whew. I'm just gonna finish this off. No, forget that. Finish a few more seconds. All right, round 3 done. One more round. You're done. Your back should be feeling worked, but possibly lighter. Let's get our pec stretches in. You can try to do them between every round. All right, side planks. Let's go 20 seconds on the right. Either you're drinking water, you're breathing, or you're pec stretching between each exercise. Make sure everything is working, switch sides. If you're not feeling the right muscles, turn them back on. If you still can't get them back on, you gotta be doing your PT stuff between each session. All right, upper back. You should know what you're trying to hit. This is not just doing the movements. It's doing the movements and activating the right muscles. Sorry, I shouldn't have shown you that was bad form. I was looking at my head, trying to see if anyone's trying to come in, but do not lift your head up. Try to get up as high as you can, as long as you keep it in the mid upper back. Got our eyes coming up. These ones are tough. Lower traps, not the biggest muscles. We're gonna make them really strong, but they can be very weak. And I'm sure you're feeling that. See, I'm only going up as high as I can contract the muscle. I'm not gonna arch my back to get up higher. That just means my low back is working. There's no point to that. My low traps are burning. Wow. All right. Might get a quick back stretch there. All right. I'm gonna get some hamstrings. 20 seconds on the right. So if you feel a lot of activation on one side of the hamstrings, bring it back centered. Focus on the big muscle belly back there. Shouldn't even be too much behind the knee. All the back of the thigh. All right, left. So I'll have some different tunes each time. And I'm taking requests. Although I don't even know how this is on my phone. Must have downloaded this years ago. It's timeless, naughty by nature. All right. Just gonna get a quick sip. Hydrate the pipes. Let's go right back into it. I should have some smaller weights near me just to switch it up, because I don't want to go without any weights, but you can. It's tough. You're feeling it. Touch the weights. Ooh. Alright. Let's take a breather on this one. I think we got our finisher coming up. Last one, guys. This one burns. Sensitive to feel my left one shut off a little bit. Gotta get back on. Gonna puff my chest out a little bit just to get those muscles in. Whew. Arms are burning. 10 more seconds, we gotta push. As long as I can feel those lower traps. I'm gonna keep going. And we're done. That was intense. All right, so you should feel tired in that whole upper back area, maybe some hamstring tiredness, maybe a little bit of tiredness in the obliques, maybe not too much. We didn't kill them, but we definitely got them on, and we needed those to stabilize everything else. So if you like this video, please subscribe to the channel, hit like if you liked it, share with anyone who you think would benefit from it, but we'll have some more out, so if you're subscribed, it'll notify you, let you know when the next ones are out. We'll try to get HIIT sessions for all different parts of the body so that you are getting well-rounded, everything is turning on. But if anything today, if you feel like you didn't kick anything, you didn't get the right muscles on, don't worry about it. You know, if you're working with a physical therapist, just tell them that I can't fire these muscles. They should be able to work with you, and you should get them on. You'll be right back in this. All right.